trying to bring people and jobs together, for jobs may well be the key to the health of the rural areas of America. To do what must be done, of course, requires partnership between enterprise and government. It requires the support of all America. Legislation's been introduced to generate rural business and industry and to provide means of financing it. Now, I've tried as best I could today to talk what I think is some common sense, to describe our economic status as it is without fear, to appraise the income prospects for farmers as accurately as I possibly can, and to prescribe action for a remedy that can be taken if the will to take it can be created among American farmers. Now, we've passed through hard months of decline on our farms. We're accepting much of the program that has recently been presented by the Congress, by the President through the Congress. The Congress is accepting most of it. Much of that program had long been supported by others. There's still things to do that are not explicit yet in the new game plan. A healthy economy will be a primary requirement for a healthy agriculture. But bear in mind also, a healthy agriculture will be a primary requirement for a healthy economy. Thus, we must recognize that insofar as agriculture itself is concerned, general recovery alone is not enough to solve the problems facing the American farmer. Even in good times, competent, respectable farmers have not shared equitably. We need national decision that they must do so. We need national will. We need strong agricultural will to see to it that the equities that are talked about with respect to other segments of our society and economy are equally applied to the disequitable and unequitable relationship between the price of farm products, the income of the American farmer, and the price and the incomes of other sections of America. We shall demand that equality of treatment in the 70s, and we will obtain that equality of treatment in the 70s as American farm people. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Congressman Mills. I'm going to give you about a 3-minute break. And the reason I'm going to do that is I was going to have the band play, but the band ain't there no more. So, in order to give our platform guests the opportunity to leave the platform, and before we give away a couple of television sets and freezers and refrigerators and washers and dryers and things, why don't you just sit still for a minute and we'll ask our platform guests to be excused.